Hi, my name is Britt MacKinnon, and I'm the chair of the sustainability section of MetSoc. I would like to invite you to the CALM 2023 Symposium, Integration for Better Outcomes. Integration is critically important to creating a more sustainable future for mining, mineral processing, and metallurgy. Together, we need to break down the silos between disciplines and engage great people who make a difference. Participating in CALM 2023 is a tremendous opportunity for you to help continue the conversation about climate change and sustainability with great people who are passionately committed to the pursuit of a better world.